Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup footage using Dropbox for collaborative editing, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Dropbox account on your preferred device. If you don't have an account yet, visit the Dropbox website to create one. Once logged in, navigate to the folder that you want to use for your project. If you haven't created a project folder yet, click on New Folder to create one. Give the folder a descriptive name to easily identify the project later. Next, prepare the footage you want to back up. Organize the footage into specific subfolders if necessary, such as raw clips and edited clips. To upload the footage, click on the Upload button located within the folder. Select the files or subfolders you wish to upload from your device. Once the upload is complete, you will see your files listed in the Dropbox folder. To enable collaborative editing, click on the Share button next to the folder name. In the Share dialog, enter the email addresses of your collaborators. You can adjust the permissions, allowing them to edit or just view the content. After entering the emails and setting permissions, click Share folder. Notify your collaborators through a direct message or email that they now have access to the folder. Encourage them to download the footage if they need to edit offline. Remind your collaborators to upload their edited versions back to the same Dropbox folder. This method keeps everything organized in one location. Regularly check the folder for any updates from your collaborators. Using Dropbox allows you to maintain version control over your footage. If ever needed, you can restore previous versions of files directly from Dropbox. Remember to communicate with your team throughout the project for smooth collaboration. That concludes the process of backing up footage using Dropbox for collaborative editing. You are now ready to make the most of your project with ease and efficiency. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.